Hello everyone, welcome to our comprehensive guide on Canadian mortgage programs. Today we delve into the realm of Canadian mortgages, shining a spotlight particularly on newcomers and first-time homebuyers. We'll be navigating through the maze of mortgage opportunities, unraveling the complexities, and presenting you with an easy-to-understand guide. Whether you're a newcomer to the Great White North or a first-time homebuyer looking to stake your claim, this guide is geared to help you. Stick around to find out how you could maximize benefits from these programs. Before diving into specific programs, it's crucial to understand the basics of the Canadian mortgage landscape. At the heart of any mortgage system lies the concept of a mortgage loan. This is essentially a loan used to purchase a property, with the property itself serving as collateral. In Canada, mortgage loans are primarily provided by banks, credit unions, and other financial institutions. One of the fundamental aspects of the Canadian mortgage landscape is the importance of a good credit score. This three-digit number is a measure of your financial health and trustworthiness in the eyes of lenders. A high credit score can open the door to lower interest rates and more favorable loan terms. Another key factor is the concept of mortgage pre-approval. This is essentially a promise from a lender that they will lend you a certain amount of money, under certain conditions, to purchase a home. It's important to note that pre-approval is not a guarantee of a loan, but it does give you a clear idea of how much you can borrow. In addition, Canadian mortgages typically involve a down payment, which is a portion of the home's purchase price that you pay upfront. The standard down payment is 20% of the purchase price, but there are programs available that can help reduce this amount. And let's not forget about interest rates. These are a crucial part of any mortgage, as they determine how much you'll pay over the life of the loan. In Canada, you can choose between a fixed rate, which stays the same for the term of the mortgage, and a variable rate, which can fluctuate based on market conditions. Lastly, it's important to understand that the term of your mortgage can vary. The most common term in Canada is 5 years, but terms can range from 6 months to 10 years. At the end of each term, you'll need to renew your mortgage or pay it off in full. Now that we have a basic understanding of the Canadian mortgage system, let's move on to specific programs tailored for first-time homebuyers. If you're a first-time homebuyer, there are several programs designed to make home ownership more accessible for you. Let's dive into some of these initiatives, which can help make your dream of owning a home a reality. First up is the First-Time Homebuyer Incentive. This program is a shared equity mortgage with the Government of Canada, and it's designed to reduce your monthly mortgage payments without increasing your down payment. The incentive is a 5-10% contribution towards your down payment, which can certainly give your home buying journey a substantial head start. Next, we have the Home Buyers Plan, often referred to as HBP. This program allows you to withdraw up to $35,000 from your Registered Retirement Savings Plan, also known as RRSP, to buy or build your first home. The beauty of the HBP is that the withdrawal is not added to your income, and no tax is deducted from these funds. Plus, you have up to 15 years to repay the amount back into your RRSP. We also have land transfer tax rebates to consider. In several provinces, first-time homebuyers are eligible for a rebate on the land transfer tax. For instance, in Ontario, first-time buyers can receive a rebate up to $4,000, which can offset the land transfer tax payable on the purchase of their first home. Last but certainly not least is the First-Time Homebuyer Tax Credit, also known as HBTC. This program offers a $5,000 non-refundable income tax credit amount on a qualifying home. The credit calculates out to a maximum of $750 back in your pocket, which can be quite helpful in the home buying process. These initiatives can significantly reduce the financial burden of buying your first home. Each program has its own qualifications and stipulations, so it's important to do your research or speak with a mortgage professional to understand which programs you may be eligible for. Remember, becoming a homeowner is a significant financial decision, and these programs are designed to assist you in making that decision a little less daunting. So, take advantage of them if you can. After all, every bit of savings counts when you're making one of the biggest purchases of your life. Remember, the journey to homeownership can be complex, but these programs are here to support you every step of the way. So, do your research, consult with professionals, and make the most of the opportunities available to you. Happy house hunting! Canada welcomes newcomers with open arms, and this extends to assistance in home buying. The Canadian mortgage landscape may seem a bit daunting initially, but there are several programs specifically designed to assist newcomers in the home buying process. Firstly, let's talk about the newcomer programs offered by various Canadian banks. Many banks in Canada offer specialized mortgage products tailored to meet the unique needs of newcomers. These programs often come with competitive interest rates and flexible terms to make the mortgage process more manageable for those new to the country. For instance, some banks offer mortgages to newcomers without a credit history in Canada, making it easier for you to get your foot in the door of the Canadian housing market. Others provide extended amortization periods or flexible down payment options to reduce the financial burden on newcomers. It's always a good idea to shop around and compare the offerings of different banks to find the one that best suits your needs. Next, we have the Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation, or CMHC Newcomers Program. This program offers newcomers the opportunity to purchase a home with a lower down payment. Typically, you would need at least 5% of the home's purchase price for a down payment. However, through the CMHC Newcomers Program, you could potentially buy a home with as little as 0% down. This can be a game changer for newcomers who are still establishing themselves financially in Canada. Finally, let's not forget about credit building programs. As a newcomer, you may not have a Canadian credit history, which is a crucial factor in mortgage approval. Credit building programs assist newcomers in establishing a credit history in Canada. This is achieved by providing you with a secured credit card or a small loan, and then reporting your payments to the credit bureaus. Over time, this can help build a solid credit history, which in turn can enhance your chances of mortgage approval. As a newcomer, these programs can help you navigate the Canadian mortgage landscape. It's important to remember that while these programs provide assistance, it's crucial to consider your financial situation and long-term goals before making any decisions. Always do your research, ask questions, and seek professional advice if needed. Remember, buying a home is a big step, and it's essential to make informed decisions that align with your financial goals and lifestyle. Happy house hunting! Beyond programs for first-time buyers and newcomers, there are general mortgage assistance programs available to all. Let's dive into the details. One of the key programs is the CMHC Mortgage Loan Insurance. The Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation, or CMHC, offers this insurance to help homebuyers purchase a home with a minimum 5% down payment. Think of it as a safety net for lenders, encouraging them to offer mortgages to a broader range of buyers. So, if you're struggling to save a large down payment, this program could be your ticket to homeownership. Next, let's talk about the GST-HST New Housing Rebate. If you're buying a new home, building one, or substantially renovating an existing property, you might be eligible for this rebate. It allows you to recover some of the goods and services tax or harmonized sales tax paid for the new or renovated home. This could potentially save you a fair chunk of change, making your dream home more affordable. Lastly, we have the Energy Efficient Homes Rebate. Now, if you're someone who cares about the environment and wants to reduce your carbon footprint, this rebate is for you. This program offers rebates to homeowners who purchase energy-efficient homes or make energy-saving renovations. Not only will you be doing your part for the environment, but you also stand to save on your energy bills in the long run. To sum up, these general mortgage assistance programs are available to all home buyers, regardless of whether they're first-time buyers or newcomers. They offer a range of benefits, from helping with down payments to providing rebates on taxes and energy-efficient homes. It's always a good idea to do your research and understand what you're eligible for. And remember, every little bit helps when you're striving to make the dream of homeownership a reality. These programs can provide significant savings when buying or renovating a home. Now, armed with this knowledge, it's essential to know where to go for personalized advice. You can find valuable guidance from housing counselors who can help navigate the complexities of home buying, and financial advisors who can provide insights tailored to your financial situation. Don't forget, the world of mortgages is vast and varied. It's crucial to compare the different rates and terms available to you. A lower interest rate might look attractive, but always consider the overall cost of the mortgage, including any fees and penalties. Finally, leverage online resources. Websites like the Canadian Mortgage and Housing Corporation or Financial Consumer Agency of Canada provide a wealth of information. Remember, it's vital to seek professional advice tailored to your specific circumstances. You've taken the first step by educating yourself. Now it's time to take the next. Your dream home is within reach. We've covered a lot of ground today, exploring the various Canadian mortgage programs. From understanding the basics of the Canadian mortgage landscape to diving into specific programs for first-time homebuyers and newcomers, we've highlighted general mortgage assistance programs and pointed out additional resources and tips. The world of mortgages can be complex, but with the right guidance, it's navigable. Remember, the right mortgage program for you depends on your unique circumstances. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe or follow us for more informative content. Thank you for watching our guide on Canadian mortgage programs.